This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
The moves in this section will go with each beat in the music instead of on a regular steady beat. With your index fingers extended, bend your elbows to bring both hands above your head. Hop in place twice, then hop in place 2 more times, moving your arms down to either side a bit each time. Do this move again, moving your arms further down. Bring both hands in front of your chest so that your index fingers are pointing toward each other. Lower your left arm and bend your knees, leaning slightly to the right as you quickly move your right hand, index finger still extended, out to the right, then back in 2 times. Move it out to the right again, then pull it back in. The moves in this section will go with each beat in the music instead of on a regular steady beat. Put your left hand on top of your right hand, then bring the back of your left hand up to your forehead so that your elbows are pointing out to either side. Bring your elbows in as you turn your hands so that your palms are facing in, then move your elbows and heels out and back in. With your index fingers extended, point straight out to the right with your right hand and bring your left hand in front of your chest as you look to the right and bring your right foot up behind you. Bring your foot down and look at the camera as you extend your left arm straight out to the left. Bring your right foot up again as you look to the right and move your right hand in front of your chest. Then look at the camera, bring your foot down, and move your left hand in front of your chest as well, so that both elbows are pointing straight out to either side. Slide your left foot in a bit as you kick your right foot up and move your right forearm over your left forearm. Bring your foot down as you look down and bend your knees a bit. Wait 2 beats, then look up. Kick forward with your right foot as you swing both arms up and back to the right, then bring your foot down before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Move your right hand out in front of you, index finger extended and elbow bent, then take 4 small steps to the left, starting on the right foot as you shake your right hand 4 times, moving it upward a bit more with each shake. Repeat the last 4 counts, stepping forward this time. Bring your right foot out to the right as you extend your right arm straight up and your left arm straight out to the left. Then bend your elbows to bring your arms down as you bring your right foot back in. Do this move in the opposite direction. Put your left hand on top of your right hand, then bring your hands up in front of your face with your right elbow pointing to the right and your left elbow pointing down. Wiggle your fingers as you take 4 steps back. Pull your right arm out to the right and your left arm down as you move your right foot out to the right, then bring your arms and foot back in before repeating this move. Hold this pose for 1 count, then swing your arms up and out to either side, then down as you move your right foot out again, then bring it back in. With your arms at your sides, push your chest out once, then move your fists up in front of your chest, elbows pointing out to either side. Drop both arms as you bend your knees and waist and look down. Extend both arms out to either side, then stand up a bit more as you move your arms down slightly. Lower both arms and look up.